My name is Felix Densu and I'm the development manager for Blackfriars Circus. We have the key management, we have the parcel management, we have the function room booking management. Without the locale, it would have been difficult for us to know who's booking the function room and how we can manage the bookings as well. So through locale, we're able to manage that functions. Also, we have keys that actually are dropped onto the reception desk without any sort of signing. With locale, we can able to identify who the keys belongs to and sign it out, and who signed it out at what time. The practical aspect that I like about it is that it also sends out information to whoever is actually the owner of the property to make them aware that their keys has gone out and who is going to. The benefit for residents is also the sort of security and efficiency of the services that we provide them, because with locale, they get confidence within the management of the development. The residents find it very practical and very useful and also efficient, because it actually gives them that confidence that there's a system that can be used to identify any sort of movements.